Welcome to part 2 of our Thai curry inspired protein bowl series. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious paneer bowl bursting with bold flavors that will taste better than your favorite restaurant. Trust me, this one is a game changer for all my vegetarian foodies out there. Hello friends, welcome back to Tiashat, California. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new here in this channel, I share healthy recipes in a tasty way twice a week. I am a certified health coach specialized in weight loss. Now let's dive into today's recipe. Alright friends, time for the vegetarian option. Same deliciousness, just swapping out the shrimp for the paneer. This one is one of those dishes that hits the perfect balance between hearty and healthy. First, heat a pan with a generous drizzle of oil. When it's hot, toss in thinly sliced onions. Saute them until they turn golden and fragrant. This is when the magic starts. Let's whip up our spice paste. Blend together 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and a handful of roasted peanuts with a bit of water. Add coconut milk, spices and mixed everything together. The result? A rich nutty paste that adds depth to the curry. Next, stir in ginger garlic green chili paste and saute until the raw aroma disappears. Your kitchen should be smelling incredible by now. I love adding colorful veggies for most of my dishes, not just for their beauty but for their health benefits too. Today I am using carrots, broccoli, colorful bell peppers, bok choys. I'm adding the stem now, I will add the leaves later. Frozen green peas and mushrooms. Toss them in and saute until they are tender crisp. Oops! My pan is getting crowded. Time to transfer everything to a bigger one. Give it a good mix. Now for the star of the show, tomato puree, followed by our peanut spice paste and creamy coconut milk. Stir everything together until it's smooth and luscious. Add a bit of boiling water to adjust the consistency. Wow, it's looking so inviting, isn't it? I like my curry like this with more gravy, though my husband loves dry curry. What is your preference? Alright friends, let's get back to cooking. Cover and cook to lock in all that goodness. Now adding the bok choy leaves and then the soft fresh paneer cubes. I like mine tender and also healthier, so I skip frying. But I know fried paneer has its charms too. What's your favorite, raw or golden fried? I buy desi paneer from my local Indian grocery. It's hands down the softest. Now let's cover and cook it for a few minutes so the paneer can absorb all the flavors. Add salt according to the taste. Give everything a good mix. In the meantime, finely chop some spring onions and add them to the curry. Now adding an optional whole green chili for that extra flavor. Now turn off the stove and here comes the flavor bomb, lime zest. I didn't have any lemongrass or kaffir lime leaves, so I used lemon zest to get that zesty flavor. Add finely chopped cilantro, a splash of lime juice, and optional sprinkle of garam masala for that warm earthy aroma. I know in Thai curry you will not get that flavor, but it's my modification according to my liking. Now it's time to serve. You can enjoy this creamy, flavorful dish as a hearty soup. It's comforting and packed with goodness. It's a very good option if you are on your weight loss journey. Today I am serving mine on a bed of Kerala red matta rice. The nutty flavor and firm texture of this rice are the perfect match for the rich velvety curry. The rich velvety sauce clings to each grain and every tender bite of paneer. Can you feel your taste buds tingling? Trust me, one bite and you are in flavor heaven. Alright, the moment we have all been waiting for. Let's dig in. The aroma alone is enough to make my mouth water. Oh wow! The coconut milk brings that rich creamy texture, balanced perfectly by the nutty paste and vibrant spices. The paneer is soft and luxurious, soaking up all the flavors beautifully. It's comfort food, but with a burst of vibrant flavors that keeps things exciting. So what's your take? I can't wait for you to try this at home. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share your delicious creations. Snap a picture, tag me and tell me your twist on this dish. I would love to see your take and hear how it turned out. And my viewers, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty adventures and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next mouth-watering recipe. Happy cooking and I will see you in the next one.
তুমি তুলে নাও। 29 দিন আমি ধুই, একদিন তো তুমি ধো।
29 দিন যে মাসে হয়। Alright friends, if you like this video, I highly recommend you to watch this video next. please click on the link popping up on your screen.